Happy early 4th of July. I'm over at a job. This was a complete pool remodel. We removed all the concrete all around the deck. We added this sun shelf. It wasn't here. There was just a beam here. So we added the sun shelf, the two bubblers, the umbrella holder, beautiful Lions Bridge pavers. Added, I like to sometimes mix up the coping a little bit, just to give it some of that color contrast. We did a nice glacier coping all the way around. See the contrast? Some cool little step tiles over here to accent that area. Then we had a bunch of rotten wood. Somebody put tiles up against the house. So we came in all across the bottom. You can see the two different colors. Came in across the bottom and removed the rotten stucco. Had rotten wood behind it. Added the new wood. Put the stucco back. Nice warm finish. Matched perfectly. In this beautiful pool. Midnight blue. I'm telling you, it's turned out beautiful. Turned out beautiful. All new wall fittings. New skimmer. You know, you probably think this is a brand new pool, but no, this is probably a 20 plus year old pool, but got a full remodel. Looks brand new. Love it. Anyhow, y'all have a happy 4th. Remember, 1776, independence, you know, free. We're free. I love it. So I want you to have a safe, fun weekend. Everybody stay hydrated. Take care of your family. Say hi to everyone, and guess what? Let's get swimming. Y'all take care.